Okay, hey, welcome there, YouTube. So today's I want to talk about affiliate marketing. Why is it that some people can succeed and have great success, and why is it that a lot of people seem to fail and never make money online with affiliate marketing? Okay, so without further ado, we'll get into it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, show me some love. I just started this channel trying to build a good following, a good family of entrepreneurs that are here to help each other. Hit the bell, get notifications. I put videos up every other day, just helpful tips to help everybody learn how to make money online and how to market. And with that said, let's get into it. So here's what you need to think about when you're doing affiliate marketing. A lot of times people fail because, one, they're not picking the right product and they're not making any money off the product. So you got to make sure that you do your product research and make sure there's a good commission that you'll get paid out when you sell it, because remember, you're selling other people's products. And second, you have to actually try the product, so that way you know that it's something worth selling. Okay, a lot of times people just pick a product and they try and sell it, and they don't have any success. And the reason being is, in today's day and age, people want authenticity. They want someone who's real and truthful. And if you're going to give a review on a product to try and sell and make an affiliate commission, well, how can you have an authentic story to sell that product? Because selling all comes down to how well you tell stories. Story selling is the key to having success with any business when you're selling online, affiliate, or your own business. Okay, so how do you do it? Okay, and if you want, I actually have another video. I'll put it in the link to actually tell you how to tell stories to make sales. I'm not going to go into that on this video. This is just strictly about how to make money with affiliate marketing. But if you want, in the description, I'll put a link to the video where I go over exactly how to story sell. So you're going to find a product that you tried and that you love. Let's say, well, for this example, we'll do a weight loss program. Okay? So you got this weight loss program, and what you're going to do is, if you're on YouTube, you're going to do like a review. You know, your headline or your title for the video will be scam or legit, and then like lose weight with whatever product, okay? And then you're just going to tell your story, what transformation you had, what pain points you were at in your life before you started this product to lose weight, and then you're going to tell them your outcome, like the transformation that you had because of the product. Okay, you can even do that with a blog. You could write a blog with a review on the product and then you're going to have an affiliate link. But that's not everything you got to do. A lot of people think that's it, and you post it up there, or you can even have paid traffic, run ads to, you know, maybe your blog or to your video talking about the story and that product. But the key to having success with affiliate products is this. Okay, I'm going to doodle a little bit on the board here. Okay, everybody who's selling the affiliate marketing, they're all selling it for the same price, right? The course or whatever it is. Okay, this example is how to lose weight. So let's say it's $400 or $300, whatever the case may be. Well, that's what everyone's selling that product for. Okay, so how do you make yourself stick out, or how can you get more sales than somebody else who's selling the same thing, who maybe have been doing it longer and have more reviews or more thumbs up or more videos watched? How can you actually step out in front of that person and have success? And here's the key. You're going to take a piece of paper or a whiteboard or something like that, and you're going to think about, for this example, weight loss, what is it that everyone who buys the product, what will they also need besides the course, or the whatever it is? In this example is the course. And you're going to write that out on a piece of paper or the whiteboard. So we'll do that together, okay? So to lose weight, let's say they need like a recipe book. Maybe they can have a planner to tell them exactly what to do every day. A groceries list. I'm going to screw this word up, I'm sure. Groceries list. Okay, what else could they have? One-on-one coaching. Okay, so you have, this is just an example. You can go on and on with some more, but they could use a recipe book. They can use a daily planner, a grocery list, a one-on-one coaching where you get on the phone and keep them motivated, keep them, pushing them forward to keep on trying, even though they haven't lost weight yet, things of that nature. Now, you're going to pick, I would probably use all of these and you're going to create an offer, okay? So here's the key. When you create an offer, you're increasing the perceived value of that product that you're marketing to, the weight loss program. So now, let's say someone comes to your video and you tell your story. You tell them your review, how it transformed you, and then you can say, and if you want today, if you go through my link, you're not only going to get the weight loss program, but I'm also going to give you a recipe book. And on top of the recipe book, it's going to have all these fabulous recipes, all these great dinners that not only are good for you, but they taste good. I'm also going to give you the grocery list. So every week when you go to the grocery store, you bring this list with you and you'll buy everything that you need to last for a week. It's all healthy stuff. It's all good for you. This is going to help transform your weight loss program. It's going to speed things up. And on top of that, I'm also going to throw in this daily planner checklist. Every day when you wake up, you check the planner, put a check mark next to it, letting you know that, okay, I did my yoga, I did my meditation, I ate my breakfast, and this will keep you on the perfect routine to make sure that you lose weight. And also, no one else is going to be doing this for you, but I'm going to give you a one-on-one coaching call where if you're feeling down and out, or you're feeling that you're not up to it, or you're not able to lose the weight, you can give me a call and we're going to go over your whole workout plan, your whole weight loss system plan together and make sure that you get the result you're looking for. Okay, now do you see how powerful that is now? Now you just created this affiliate link that you're offering, that everyone else is offering for the same $300 price. Now you're offering it for $300, but you're also giving them all this other stuff. And now the perceived value is way more than $300. So everyone that comes to your video or your page or blog, they're going to buy because they've seen that same program. Other people are offering it for the same price, but they didn't get everything that you're offering, not all these bonuses. You see? So that's the key when selling affiliate marketing, okay? And not only that, you could really start making good commissions is you can start becoming an affiliate with other products that are in that same niche, like a ketones drink or a protein bar or something like that. And then you also throw that in there with your affiliate link. So when they go to purchase more protein bars or more of that drink or whatever, you're also going to get a commission off that. You see? So the whole key here is to continually offer the people that are watching your video or going to your blog, you're going to offer them more than just that one affiliate product. You're going to put together this whole package that's going to blow their mind, and they're going to love you for it. They're going to absolutely want to come to you and buy it from you because you're taking the time to actually make sure that they're going to get the result they're looking for. Okay? Another thing, when it comes to affiliate marketing, the best way is to find digital products, actual physical, tangible products. That's getting more into the drop shipping and setting up a e-com store and stuff like that. With digital products, you never run out. They're scalable, and they're just all around have more of a commission that you'll make off of them. Now, that's not to say that you can't do like FBA, Amazon, drop shipping, Shopify, all that stuff, but keep that as a different stream of revenue, a different whole nother ball game. When it comes to affiliates marketing, that I would stick to digital products, and that's only my opinion, my personal opinion. But with that, that's really all I have to say for today. I know it's kind of a short video, nothing crazy. I just wanted to try and help you guys that are trying to become affiliate marketers out there, you know, that are having struggle or they're not doing as well as they would like. Try this method, try this technique that I'm talking about, and I promise you're going to have great success. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. I could really use the following. I love helping people. This is my passion, is teaching. I want to be able to get my message and all these helpful tips out to as many people as possible. So share this video with your friends or family or anyone else that could use the tips. If there are affiliate marketers, let them know, hey, check out this video. And with that, I'll see you guys tomorrow.